In this video, we will discuss about distance and displacement. In the previous video, we discussed about the term rest and motion. Now, what is distance and displacement? Here, to discuss the term distance and displacement, let us do this example. Here, let us assume that a student is moving from home to school. Here, let us the total path covered by this schoolboy, a student, from home to school is 5 km. So here, this total path covered by a student is known as distance. How much path it covers from going to home to school or from A point to the B point. That total path is known as distance. So we can say that distance is total path covered by a body is known as distance. Now, what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest path from home to school, or directly a line joining of home to school, a direct line join. This one, direct line from home to school, is known as displacement. So here, displacement is the shortest path covered by a body. So we understood that distance is the total path covered by a body, or displacement is the shortest path from initial to final position. Shortest path from where? From final to initial. Initial to final. Now, let us discuss it more with the help of this example. Here, a man is moving along this direction. From A, he has gone to B in a straight path, then C. Let AB distance is 3 km and BC is 4 km. So what is the distance and displacement in this case? From the diagram, here, distance is total path covered by a body. It is a total path. Total path from initial to final. So this is my initial position and this is my final position. So what is the total path? First he has gone from here to here, that is 3 km. Then he has gone from B to C, that is 4 km. So the total path will be equal to 7 km. 3 plus 4, 7. Now what should be the displacement then? So here displacement is the shortest path from initial to final position. So this is my initial position and this is my final position. Now what is the shortest path? It will be line joining of initial to final, A to C. So now I have to calculate this distance, this shortest path. So by applying a Pythagoras theorem, so it will be 3 square plus 4 square the square root. So it is 9 plus 16 and it is 25 and it is 5 km. So this will be your distance and this will be your displacement. So here distance and displacement is different. But let us do one more example. If man is moving along this direction and reaches to the point B, it has covered 3 km distance. Now what is the distance and displacement in this case? Distance here is total path from where it has gone through, total path, that is A to B, that is coming out to be 3 km. Now what should be the displacement then? It is from initial to final position and straight, shortest path, that is a straight line, the same, that is 3 km. So in this case, the distance is equal to displacement. So we can say that when a body is moving in a straight line or in a straight path, then distance is equal to the displacement. Let us discuss one more example. A person is moving around a circle, just like an athlete is taking a complete round of a playground. Let it be a radius 7 meter. Then what should be the distance and displacement after it takes a complete round? It goes through this round and again reaches to A point. Now here the distance, we know that distance is total path from where it has gone through. It has gone through this full cycle. This is just nothing but it is a circumference. So here it is circumference. So here circumference is of circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi means 22 divided by 7 and radius is 7 meter. 7 get cancelled out. We are left with 44 meter. So this will be the distance. Now what should be the displacement in this case? Displacement is the shortest distance, shortest path from initial to final position. So here initial position is, his starting point is A and his end point is also A. So what is the distance from here, from the same location? That is 0. So it is coming out to be 0 meter. So if the position, that is final position, and initial position is same, then the displacement is always equal to 0. The SI unit of displacement and distance, both the SI unit of distance and displacement is meter. The other unit of distance are kilometer and centimeter, depending upon the type of measurement. Thank you.